A fair dice with 6 faces labeled as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is thrown thrice. What is the probability of getting 6 exactly one time? Okay, the dice is thrown 3 times. This is the first throw, this is the second and third throw. So there are 3 cases. We have to get 6 exactly one time. So what is the probability of getting a 6? That is 1 by 6. And probability of not getting a 6 is 1 minus 1 by 6, that is 5 by 6. So in the first throw we can get a 6, that is 1 by 6. And the second and third throw, no 6, not getting a 6, that is 5 by 6, 5 by 6. This is the first case. And there is a second case, that is in the first throw we are not getting a 6. First throw no 6, second throw we get a 6, and in third throw no 6. Okay, and there is a third case. In first and second there is no 6, and in the third case we get a 6. So these are the probabilities, either this or this or this. So what the probability of getting 6 exactly one time is this plus this plus this, that is 3 times 1 by 6 into 5 by 6 into 5 by 6, which is equal to 75 divided by 216. Among P, Q, R, S and T, P is the brother of Q, S is the daughter of Q, T is the sister of S, R is the mother of Q. Consider the following statements. Okay, P is the brother of Q. A person Q is there, and P is his brother. Okay, this is the brother. S is the daughter of Q. Okay, Q has a daughter which is S. T is the sister of S. Okay, this is sister. T is the sister of S. Now R is the mother of Q. Okay, R has a mother. That is R. Q has a mother. That is R. This is R. Now consider the following statement. R has only one son. Okay, this P is the son of R. Okay. Now Q can be son or a daughter. Okay, it can be son or a daughter. It is not mentioned. So R has only one son is not the correct option. P is the uncle of S and T. Okay, P is the uncle of S and T. That is correct option. R is the grandmother of S. Yes, R is the grandmother of S. R is the grandmother of S. That is also correct option. Now Q is the mother of S. Q is the mother of S. Okay, since it is not mentioned whether Q is a woman or man, we cannot say that Q is the mother of S. So these two options are correct. In a class, one student's weight is 42, is measured as 24, and correcting it again from 24 to 42. Its average increases from 30.8 to 31.4. Find the total number of students. So what is average? Average is sum divided by total. Here sum is sum of the weights divided by total number of students. So here what is the sum of the weights? S is, this is S by T. Sum of the weight is W1 plus W2 plus W3 plus etc. We do not know the number of students. So here first it is given that the weight of one student is measured as 24. That is one student's weight is 24. And W2 plus W3 plus etc. That let's denote it as capital W. So sum of the weight is 24 plus W. Okay, now what is the average? When one student's weight was 24, the average was 30.8. So in this case average is equal to 30.8. Sum of the weight is 24 plus W, and total number of students, let it be T. From this we get 30.8 T equal to 24 plus W. This is the first equation. Now in the second case, it is said that the student's weight was corrected to 42, then its average increased to 31.4. That is, the weight was W1 plus W2 plus W3 plus etc. and the first student's weight was corrected to 42. and the remaining w plus w3 plus etc. That is w. Now the average is 31.4. This is equal to sum of the weight. In this case, sum of the weight is 42 plus w divided by t. From this we get 31.4 t equal to 42 plus w. This is the second equation. Now subtract 2 from 1. That is 31.4 t equal to 42 plus w. 30.8 t equal to 24 plus w. Now we get here, this is 0.6 t, this is 18. Okay, now what is t? T is equal to 18 divided by 0.6, which is equal to 30. So this is the total number of students. Bird is to nest, then bee is to dash. That is, nest is bird lives in nest. So we have to write where bee lives. Bee lives in a hive. This is the home of bee. Image is coded as F, H, B and J. Field coded as E, M, F, J, G. How beach is coded? Okay, now we'll write this image, then field, then beach. Okay, we can see that E plus 1, that is F. Here it is plus 1, then G plus 1 is H. Then A plus 1 is B, and M plus 1 is N, I plus 1 J. That is F, H, B and J. F, H, B and J. So similarly, field D plus 1 E, L plus 1 M, E plus 1 F, then I plus 1 J, F plus 1 G. That is E, M, F, J, G. E, M, F, J, G. So how we'll code beach? Similarly, H plus 1 I, C plus 1 D, A plus 1 B, E plus 1 F, B plus 1 C. That is I, D, B, F, C. So I, D, B, F, C is the answer. 5, 6, 15, dash 89, 170, 291. Complete the series. Okay, this is 5, 6, 15, dash 89, 170 and 291. Okay, we'll see the difference between the first and second numbers. That is, this difference is 1. Now, second and third number, the difference is 9. Now here we can see difference between these two numbers is 170 minus 89, that is 81. Now difference between these two numbers is 121. From this we can see that this 1 is 1 square. Now this is 9 is 3 square. Now 81 is 9 square. 121 is 11 square. That is 1, 3, 9, 11. Okay. So these are odd numbers 1, 3, 9, 11. So the remaining numbers should be 5, 7. Okay, 5 and 7. So here the difference between these two numbers should be 5 square, and the difference between these two numbers should be 7 square. Okay, now what is this number then? 15 plus 25, that is 40. Okay, that is the difference will be now 40 minus 15, that is 5 square, 25. Now the difference between these two numbers, check that this difference 89 minus 40, and this difference will be 7 square, that is 49. So the number is 40.